Hi, I'm Andrew from Guitar Templates. I want to show you the trick for cleaning this protective film off your templates when you get them. One side's easy, it's one big peel off. This side, where the writing and the lines are, that's a little trickier. Let me show you the trick. So our customer's just ordered this set. It's a neck pocket, fretboard and a neck. Let me just show you how we can quickly and easily clean the protective film off this side of the template. This is the tricky one because it's got all the writing on it. The first thing you need to do is get the edge of the paper to lift. Peel carefully because if you can keep as much of it in one piece as possible, it is a little more convenient. However, this area has got the logo on it and there's a center line there, and you're left with these all this paper in the writing here. You see these areas that are just one big area just peel off quite easily. And if we go over and look at the other side, there's no writing or lines on this side. Generally speaking, that peels off pretty easily. One sheet. But as you can see, we're left here with this writing, and there'll be more over here as well. All the bits in between the lettering gets left. Now you can sit there and scratch it with your thumbnail and do whatever, but if you've got another template with you, one that's got a straight edge on it, use it like a little scraper and just as quick as that, you've removed all that paper. Anyway, that's my trick. Good luck with your templates.